How cool is this? I am so excited about today's video. I have been eyeing this tool for the longest time now. This is the L'Oreal Colorsonic hair color device. To be fully transparent with you guys, I am working with L'Oreal over at TikTok and Instagram, so I am doing a partnership with them on this hair tool. I was going to try it anyways for Instagram and TikTok, so I figured why not film a YouTube video about it as well, just so that I can give you guys a more like detailed video on it. But anyways, let's talk a little bit about this tool because it really caught my eye the first time I saw it at Target. I remember putting a poll on Instagram and asking you guys if I should try it or not. Most of you guys said yes, so yeah, I really wanted to try this out anyways. But this is interesting because this is supposed to help dye your hair more effortlessly. Like, you're supposed to do this in 5 minutes. Let's see how long it takes me to dye all my hair. I do have a lot of hair and my hair is pretty curly, so it might take me a little bit longer, and this is my first time using this tool. So this retails for $130 and the hair color retails for $30. Just in case I got 2 more of the same color, because most of the time I do need at least 2 hair color kits to dye my hair because I do have a lot of hair and I just like the hair color to look like super nice and vibrant. So let's see if 1 is enough. That would be great, but if not, I have another one right here just in case. And I'm actually using this in the color number 3, darkest brown natural. A dark brown is my go-to hair color. I love a good dark brown, especially for the fall, so very excited to dye my hair today. This is what the hair color looks like. As you can see, number 3, darkest brown. You just insert it with the whole packaging and everything. So you open it straight from the box, you put it right in here, just like that. Super interesting. There you go. It also brings this like conditioner that you use afterwards, so I'm going to be using this in the shower. And then you just put the base back into the device. I think that's good. This device is supposed to mix the hair color for you. So instead of you using a bowl or like making a mess and mixing the activator and the color and all that, everything is just mixed in this device automatically, and so the hair color comes out from this little brush. So let's just get right into it. We're just gonna do this together as I go. I'm gonna divide my hair into a couple of sections. By the way, I did charge this overnight because I wanted to make sure that it was fully charged before using it. So it does bring a charger. It's a USB cord that you can just plug anywhere to charge your device. It also brings these reusable gloves, which I will be using right now. I'm so nervous to dye my hair in this room because I just put this wallpaper up and I really hope I don't mess it up and I hope I don't get my wall dirty or anything. But this is supposed to make everything a lot more clean and easy to do. So we're really gonna put it to the test. I usually just dye my hair in the bathroom. I just find it a lot easier, but we're gonna do it in my studio today because I just want to see if this is actually going to be less messy than usual. And today I'm going to be doing an all over color. You can also use this just to touch up your roots. This also does cover grays if you have any grays. So yeah, I'm just going to be using it to do an all over color. So it says to tilt the device over the sink at an upward angle. Hold power button until bristles move, then release to warm up. Formula will come out, allow it to flow for 20 seconds. This ensures formula is properly mixed. Do not apply until the light is green. So let's just get right into it. I'm gonna turn it on. I'm not tilting it towards my sink. I'm just kind of like tilting it right here. I guess we'll just wait for this to warm up. As you can see, the light is yellow. You know, I should be putting on my like hair dyeing cape or whatever you call that. So you're supposed to press the button. There you go. Doing something. So I press the power button and I'm just waiting for some of the color to come out the first 20 seconds, and then I'll start adding this to my hair. I guess it's mixing the color right now and see if anything's gonna come out. So this is the roots applicator, so I'm just gonna be doing my roots right now with this one, and then I'll use the other attachment to do the rest of my hair. But right now I'm just gonna be focusing on the roots. Oh, there you go. So now I'm just gonna wait 20 seconds, and when the check mark is green, as you can see, it is ready to use. So let's start applying this to my hair. I mean, this is a lot easier so far than having to mix the color and the developer and everything. So far, it's pretty easy to use. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to be doing section per section or just focusing on like brushing all my hair like I would with the brush, but I'm just gonna do it like this for now. I was also a little bit worried about doing this on my natural curly hair because this is kind of like a brush, so you're kind of like brushing your curly hair, and I didn't know if my hair was gonna be super tangly and if it would get stuck in the brush, but so far we're doing good. We're doing good. I definitely feel the brush like going into kind of like my scalp and my roots, and really like focusing on dispersing all the color directly to the roots. I'm sure this would be great for gray touch-ups. This is not messy at all. Like, this is so cool. I wonder if it's gonna let me know if I'm out of hair color and how it would let me know. I'm gonna keep doing the rest of my hair. So far this is very, very easy to use, and I feel like I can grab bigger sections. This actually feels like a scalp massage as well. Like, it's super relaxing. I love how it feels. This is definitely taking hair color to the next level. By the way, this just went down 1, so I think that is indicating kind of like how much I have left of the hair color. Pretty cool. So I should be doing just half for my roots and then the other half for the rest of my hair. I'm not sure if I'm doing too much on the roots. Maybe I don't gotta do this much. Let's do this top section right here. How cool is this? This is so freaking cool. It just feels like I'm brushing my hair. Okay, down to 2 dots. Let's do this side. I'm definitely gonna use 2 of these hair colors because I wanna make sure that I'm adding enough color. I feel like 1 might not be enough. It never is. I mean, 1 is never enough for me. Anyways, I will be back once I am done with this side, and then we'll do the rest of my hair. But I will say it's kind of easier to do just a big section because sometimes the brush gets stuck with the sections in the top. So it is kind of easier to just use it like if you're brushing your hair. Like, next time I can probably just divide my hair into 2 big sections, just the top and the bottom, and that's it, instead of 4. And that would probably just be easier for application. So, and I'm not having any trouble with doing this on my natural curly hair texture. It's not getting tangled or anything so far. I'm only doing the roots. So we'll see how the rest of my hair works. But so far, super, super nice. Okay, so I just finished this part and right away this ran out. So definitely need 2 of these. I don't know if I should be cleaning it right after or if I am good to go if I just put the other one right in. I would prefer just to clean it at the end. Just gonna pop this right in here and back into the device. I'm just gonna clean it after I'm done doing all my hair. Okay, so now I'm gonna add this, and we're just gonna start putting this on all my hair. I already did the roots. So let's work on the rest of my hair. Let's start with this side. Yeah, this is actually a lot easier to use for the rest of your hair. Definitely use this adapter if you're gonna do it on all your hair. This section is fully soaked in hair dye. I love that I'm able to work on bigger sections with this tool. As you can see, this is completely wet, and now I'm gonna do this section right here. I'm dyeing my hair so quickly. I can't wait to see the results. I will say it takes a little bit of getting used to. It's something so new to me, but it's pretty cool. And definitely recommend getting like one of these capes or whatever you call them, just to make sure that you do not ruin your clothes. I use this every time I dye my hair. It's a must. I still have a lot of hair dye left. So I'm gonna add a pretty good amount on each section until it is like completely soaked in hair dye. Wow, this got all my hair. So this, as you can see, soaked in hair color. And now I'm gonna work on this side. Down to half of the hair color. So I think I should be good with 2. 2 is more than enough. All right, guys, I'm gonna let this set for 30 minutes. I'm gonna rinse in the shower, and then I'm gonna use the conditioner that came in the color kit. And yeah, I'll be back with the final look. I'm not gonna show you guys how I did my hair or anything. I am gonna be using the Wavytalk blow dryer brush, which is this one right here. I don't want to get it dirty, but it's this one right here. And yeah, I'll be back with the final look and my thoughts. Okay guys, just finished doing my hair. Let's take off these clips. Oh my god, love the curl that I got. This hair tool from Wavytalk is so nice. I'm gonna be linking it down below if you guys want to check it out. And it's super affordable. I think it's like $40, and you get a couple of different attachments. But anyways, wow, I'm gonna add a little tiny bit of oil. This one is from Way, and this is in the St. Bart's scent. Oh my god, it smells amazing. Pretty impressed with how curly my hair looks right now. This hair color actually looks super nice. Before I touch up my hair, because I feel like the front looks kind of funny, I do want to show you guys the before and after of the hair color. Okay guys, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. I feel like overall this tool was very easy to use, and I love the color that I got. I mean, it looks so natural. I didn't miss any spots. It looks like it did distribute the product super well. Really digging this color, and my hair looks very shiny actually after dyeing my hair. So if you guys want to check this out, I will be linking it down below in the description box. And also I'm gonna try to tag this through YouTube shopping, so it'll come up right here on the screen. But yeah guys, the color actually looks pretty good in my opinion. I mean, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. Again, I used the shade number 3, which is the darkest brown. It looks very dark. It actually looks darker than my other hair color that I had before this one, which I like. I mean, I love a good dark hair color, so I am down for this, especially for the fall. So yeah guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much.